Welcome to ECC News.
If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss helpful updates.
So in this video, we are taking a look at how to apply for internal security jobs. That's the police, immigration, fire service, and prisons. I'm also trying to figure it out. So we are going to go through the process together to see what it really takes. Let's dive in and explore the steps. This time around, the application process have been combined for all these four. So the same portal is what you are going to use in applying for the security job. Firstly, you visit the URL. As you click on start application, you'll be taken to this interface where you select whether to continue your previous application or start a new application. If you already have an account, then you go to continue. Since I already have an account, though we've not started the process, I'll use continue so that I can log back into where I left. Once you go in there, you see you've now started the application. So I'll click on continue. That's the first part that you will see after you log into your account. I'll forward some of the parts so that you get to know the important part of this video as we go on through the steps and know where it's required and where you can leave it blank. Start with filling in with your personal credentials. To upload a profile picture, you can either click on the profile picture space, which will open a pop-up for you. Once you click, it's going to open a file explorer for you to select your profile picture, or you drag and drop it onto the pop-up that you've seen on the screen. For all applications, it's recommended you use a computer or a laptop in doing so. In filling the form after submitting or dropping your profile picture, it gives you a preview of how it's going to look for you to edit it and position it well. After you are good with what you've done, you click save. Then you continue with filling in with your credentials. Right after filling, you can continue to the next page by clicking on proceed. The next section is vacancy. Vacancy is where you select the office or the institution you would like to join. You select your field. After, you click on next to go to the educational section where you fill in with the grades and the school details. For JHS, English and Math are compulsory. That's why the field have already been provided there for you to select the grade. The rest, you are able to select any other optional subjects that you wish to provide. Though it's no same for the WAS. At the WAS session, you will be asked to select your best 6, which doesn't include the Math and English. But since these subjects are core, you might want to provide the grade for these ones. After providing the information needed, you click on proceed to move to the uploads, where you upload the necessary documents that you've provided in details in your previous session and have it in a JPEG form so that you'll be able to upload. You do same for the rest, and once you click on proceed, you see you have the summary sheet of whatever you've provided there, where you'll be able to check if there are errors in your application fields. If there are none, you can click on proceed and go and submit your application. If there are errors, you can click on edit to edit the content provided by each session you visited. Then come back to the submission page and click on complete review. You have this interface which will ask for your consent in submitting your application. After agreeing to submit, you will get an applicant ID, which you use in tracking your application process. You can as well download the document summary so that you can make reference to whatever you filled for future references. This brings us to the end of this video. If you've not subscribed to the channel yet, please hit on the subscribe button to subscribe and stay up to date with our latest info. Thank you for watching.